Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix the error of this app cannot run on Windows 11. So if you have any app that is showing this error, so what I'll be telling you some of the methods that you can try and hopefully it will be fixed. So suppose my Steam is not running. So the first method what you have to do, try to do is right click on the app and then go to properties. And then from here go to compatibility and then tick this run this program as an administrator, press apply and then OK. So see if it works or not. It might bypass the error. So after that what you can try to do is you can, if a specific app is showing that problem, then what you can do is you can uninstall it from your control panel. Go to your control panel, in the programs, uninstall a program. So simply uninstall the program from here and then reinstall it. It may fix the problem. And another thing that you can try is to scan for corrupted files in your system. So if you have any file corrupted that is preventing you from running the app, so what you can do is open your command prompt, run as administrator. So after that you'll have to type in sfc /scan now. So after that it will start a scan. As you can see, beginning system scan. It will take some minutes, and if the scan finds any corrupted files, it will fix it automatically. So these methods you can try to see if the error still persists. Hopefully you'll get a successful try. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.